Hello, welcome to my class. My name is Stella, and I'll be teaching you how to import from China to Nigeria by using agent. If you want to import by yourself, you have to pay for an advanced class. I'm actually making this video because of the people that said they still don't understand the app with the pictures I sent. So this is a 1688 looks like on your Google Chrome. So you scroll to it. My own has automatically translated the page to English for me. So if you want to translate your own, like maybe your own is not translating on your own page, you just go to these three dots, then scroll up. You see something like translate somewhere on your list. My own does not have it because I already downloaded the Google Translate. So when you do that, you go to the search space, then you search what you want to search. Ladies bag. These are the bags. So you just pick the one you want. Pick the one you want. Here it is. See, that's translated it. That's translated the page automatically. This is where you get your review. You see your reviews. Those are the reviews. Then this is the rating for the company. This 4-star here is the rating for the company. Sometimes if I don't say up to 4 or 4.55, I don't buy from such supplier. And some of them have 3 point something stars, and they have good products. Depends on the time they started selling on this app. So now you come here to copy your link. Here you hold it down, then it will copy. My own is not copying, I think, because I'm using iPhone. So if you want to copy from iPhone, you come here, then you click on it hard for long, then it will copy. Then you go to your notepad and paste it, list it out the way I taught you to list it out, then send to your agent. Here is how, this specification here is how to get to select the colors that you want for the bag. You see, when you list it, you write it, and okay, maybe you want the pink one, you put pink and quantity. Maybe you want two pieces of pink, you put pink 2 pieces, then black 2 pieces, white 2 pieces, then you write total. When you are done, write total, then you send it to your agent. When your agent is done, okay, so I'm still on showing you how to copy link from the 1688. Like, I want to buy this air fryer for a client. You click on it. See, it's not translating because I'm on another phone now. This is another phone. I don't have Google Translate on it to automatically translate. So you copy your link. Hold this place down. See, that mark sign shows that you have already copied it. Then after copying, you check your specification. This is specification. You see, this is specification. You pick the one you want. Maybe the person wants let's say 6 liters, the first one. So the color green 6 liters. You go back to your notes, then you add new. Okay, you write your name. My name is Stella. You write your name, you write your phone number, write your phone number. Oh my god, I just rewrite my phone number. Okay, so after that you come here, you list your link as number 1, paste it. You see, that is your link, number 1. Then you come here, I think she wants color green, color green, color green, quantity, quantity 1, total 1. So this is how it is. This is how you write your link. Then if you have another thing you want to buy, you say number 2, you copy your link again from wherever you want to buy it, copy your link, paste. Do you understand me? Then you continue. You select the quantity and the color. If it has color, you select color. If it does not have color, you just put the quantity. Maybe it's a bag that does not have color, like maybe it's a 1 color bag. You want 4 pieces of it. You just paste your link, then you write the quantity that you want, and that's it. You copy it and send to your agent. Then your agent will get back to you. Then you talk about the exchange rates, multiply it, pay your agent, and that's it. So assuming you want to copy to me now, this is how you do it. If you don't do it like this, it will be stressful for me to go about it. So I'll start, how many pieces do you want, how many this. So it is better to just do it like this, so that you will not stress me, I will not stress you. Okay, so that is it. It's as easy as that. You can continue going through the sites, pick more things to buy, and follow the steps I just showed you. If you have urgent questions or you want me to teach you more about China importation, my WhatsApp contact is on the screen. You can chat me up on WhatsApp or drop a comment under this video. I'll teach you everything you need to know. I'll respond to you as soon as I see it. Alright guys, that's the end of the class. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again in my next video. Alright, bye.